In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a bar graph in Excel. Start by selecting the values that you want to be in the chart. Then click the Quick Analysis icon. Go to Charts, then select one of the clustered options. A bar graph goes left to right, while a column chart goes bottom to top. Alternatively, select the data, then go to the Insert tab. Expand the bar graph options and choose the graph that you want to use. With the bar graph selected, you can drag out a corner to change the size and use the options at the top to change its appearance. Additionally, you can click on the plus icon to toggle what information is shown on the graph. You can also select the paintbrush icon to change the style or color. Once you're happy with your bar graph, you can drag it to the position that you want it. If you want to customize the color of your bar graph, then select the graph and switch to the Format tab. Click Format Selection and the Format menu will open. Select the element that you want to change. Make sure you're on the Fill and Line tab. Then open the Color menu with the bucket icon. Choose a color here or select More Colors and choose a custom color. Click OK and your graph will be updated. You now know how to make a bar graph in Excel. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.